phone.
It's not mine.
That's Papa's.
Oh.
Papa, this is yours.
It is? I thought that was yours. That was, okay, that was one down on my computer. Did you get that from the basement?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is mine. Here, this is yours.
Thank you.
You take that.
Thank you. That's what I wanted.
Hello? Hello, Lisa? Hello.
What's Lisa doing?
Ask her what she's doing.
Ask her what she's up to.
Take that talk to me.
She taking a shower?
Yeah. I hear up.
Is she going to work? Or?
Yeah.
She's going to work?
Yeah. They're taking a shower.
Well, they haven't been over this weekend. That's why she's working there. She was yesterday. So.
Hello? Hello, Lisa?
You say hello, and then you hang up on her.
Yeah. Hey, dummy. This is your phone. You call Lisa.
My phone to call Lisa.
Guys, for
You want to really